Welcome to this short guide to using large teaching rooms and lecture theatres. Large-sized teaching rooms and lecture theatres are typically equipped with a height-adjustable lectern, a PC, cables to connect a laptop, 2 visualizers, 2 projectors, a Blu-ray player, and the Q-Review lecture capture system. To use the PC, first ensure it is switched on. The PC is located in the cabinet below the desktop. To switch the PC on, press the button as shown. To turn the monitor on, use the button, located at the bottom right of the screen. If you are going to use the PC, log in with your user account in the normal way. You can also use your laptop by connecting either the HDMI or VGA cables provided. If you are using the VGA cable, please remember to plug the audio cable into your laptop's headphone socket in order to use the speakers in the room. The control panel enables you to switch between devices and control the output to the projector and monitor. If the control panel screen is blank, press it once to switch it on. Then press the screen again to start the system and switch on the projectors. Some projectors take a couple of minutes to warm up, so please be patient. The control panel is simply laid out, with the devices at the top of the screen, the output options in the middle, the volume and Q-Review controls to the right, with the Blu-ray and visualizer controls to the left. To use the PC, press the PC button at the top of the screen, and then press the left projector button to send the image to the left projector, press the right projector button to send the image to the right projector, and press the monitor button to send the image to the monitor. To use a laptop connected via the HDMI cable, press the laptop HDMI button at the top of the screen. Then press the left projector button to send the image to the left projector, press the right projector button to send the image to the right projector, and press the monitor button to send the image to the monitor. To use a laptop connected to the VGA cable, repeat the same process, using the laptop VGA button. Large teaching rooms are equipped with 2 visualizers. This enables you to show 2 separate documents at the same time, by using the 2 projectors. To do this, first select the left visualizer by pressing the DocCam left button, then press the left projector button. Do the same for the right visualizer, using the buttons as shown. The orientation of the left and right projectors is from the viewpoint of the presenter as they look at the projectors. Not as the audience see the screens, as the video demonstrates. However, you can select which projector to send the image to, therefore you are free to swap them around, duplicate the images, or use one screen for the PC, and one screen for the visualizer. If you are going to use the Blu-ray player, insert a disc into the player, which is located just below the PC. Then press the Blu-ray button on the control panel screen, and select which projectors you want to send the image to. You can control the Blu-ray player from the control panel by pressing the Blu-ray control button on the left-hand side of the screen. Whilst using the Blu-ray player, PC, or your laptop, you can control the output volume by using the controls on the right-hand side of the control panel. If you do not hear any sound when using the PC or your laptop, ensure you have set the volume level correctly on the device. When using any device, you can blank the image on either projector. This can be helpful to focus the attention of the students, or whilst changing between presentations. All of the large-sized teaching rooms are equipped with the Q-Review lecture capture system. These rooms will have signs on the door to the room and on the lectern. The room will be equipped with a camera and a set of microphones installed on the lectern and in some cases suspended from the ceiling in order to provide a clear recording. Large teaching rooms are also equipped with a wireless microphone. This allows you to move freely between the lectern, whiteboards, and screen, whilst still being heard by the students, and also being recorded on the Q review system. To use the wireless microphone, remove it from the charging base, and open the front flap. Then press the on-off button until the microphone powers on. Close the flap, and then check that the mute switch on top of the device is off. Then take the microphone and clip it to your clothing, about 6 inches below your mouth. If the microphone battery is flat, you can use the spare battery provided. Just remove it from the charger and swap it for the one in the microphone. When you have finished with the wireless microphone, power it off by opening the flap and pressing and holding the on-off button until it powers off. Replace it in the charging cradle with the spare battery so it is charged and ready for the next lecturer. To find out more about Q Review, go to the Q Review webpage where there are useful links, guides, and information. You can control the Q Review recording from the control panel by pressing on the Q Review button on the bottom right of the screen. From here you can pause, stop, or extend the recording. Every Q Review room is equipped with a recording indicator light. The teaching room PC must be switched on for this to work. When a recording is starting, the indicator light will turn yellow for a few seconds before turning red. This indicates that a recording is active. You can pause the recording by firmly pressing on the indicator light once. The light will flash yellow, indicating that the recording has been paused. To resume recording, firmly press the indicator light again. The light will then turn red to indicate that the recording is continuing. There are 2 USB ports on the control panel. These are connected to the PC, and you can insert a pen drive to access your files. The height of the lectern is adjustable and can be raised or lowered using the control buttons located just underneath the work surface. Most rooms are equipped with a wall-mounted whiteboard, and a board eraser can be found on the lectern, near the whiteboard, or on the whiteboard as shown. You will have to provide your own pens, and please ensure that they are the dry white variety made for whiteboards. Teaching spaces are equipped for blended or mixed mode teaching. This allows students to attend a lecture on campus or remotely. Each teaching space is being equipped for one of 4 levels. The details of each room's level can be found on the Queen Mary Academy web pages, and the address will be in the description of this video. The following describes the different types of equipment and their purpose. The large monitor is an additional screen for the lecture PC. This is to display the Teams, Zoom, or Blackboard Collaborate session, so it can be seen by the students in the room. On the lectern, in Level 2 and Level 3 teaching spaces, will be a graphics tablet. This can be used to annotate items on the screen, so it can be viewed by students in the room and online simultaneously. The rooms will also be equipped with audience-facing cameras. These will either be a USB camera or ceiling-mounted camera, depending on the size and level of the room. This is to enable those attending online to see the students in the teaching room. To enable students attending remotely to hear any discussions or questions, the room will be equipped with either a boundary microphone on the lectern or a ceiling-mounted microphone. Again, this will be dependent on the size and level of the room. For further information on mixed-mode education, including training and faculty representatives, visit the Queen Mary Academy webpage and the Blender webpage on QM+. Every teaching room has a phone installed for support. If you have any technical issue, pick up the phone and press the AV support button, or dial 6550. Support is available from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., Monday to Friday. A technician will answer your call, and will either resolve your call remotely, or send a technician to the teaching room as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. There are other videos available for small and medium teaching rooms on the ITS website.